Hi, welcome back. In today's video, we would like to have a coding exercise using Heap queue for priority queues. Here we are importing the Heap queue module in Python to use it. Then we are creating an empty priority queue here for our tasks, but it's in a form of a list and we name it tasks. So this is our priority queue. Then we would like to add tasks to this priority queue. In order to add tasks, we know that we can use the heap push function in order to add tasks to our heap queue using the heap queue module to our priority queue. But one thing to mention here is that we can give priority to different tasks. For example, here we would like to push back to this priority queue, but we want to not only add the task that needs to be performed, but also its priority. So its priority is 2, write report. So this is with priority 2. Priority 1, which is the first thing that we need to do, is fixing the bug. And after fixing the bug, we are going to then start writing the report. And finally, we are having the priority 3, which is emailing the clients. So we are this way, we are adding tasks to our priority queue, which is called tasks, using the heap push function. And we are also giving the priority that needs for each tasks to be executed. So now I'm, for example, adding the fix bug with the first priority. So the first thing that we need to take care of is fixing the bug. Then writing the report, for example, with the priority 2 and emailing the clients with priority 3. So this heap automatically organizes tasks so that the lowest priority number, which is fixed bug here, is at the front. Okay, so first of all, it is going to be executed, and then this one, and then this one. Okay, so internally, the heap maintains order based on the priority value 1, then 2, and then 3. Now, in order to see how we are going to have the outputs and ask the compiler to print us some tasks based on their priority, we write down a while loop here to retrieve the highest priority tasks. And here we are simply printing out the tasks that are being processed. So when we are printing it out in the output, we see that first of all, we are having the fix bug with the priority 1. Then we are having the report that we need to write with the priority 2. And then we are having the emailing of the client with the priority 3. This is how we can have it done with respect to the priority level. So in this video, we learned how we can use heaps to work as a priority queue for us to have different tasks being added using the heap push function with their level of priority. So if the level of priority is lower, it means that it's the higher task that needs to be done sooner. So the lower number means that, for example, when we are having number 1, it has priority over number 2 and then over number 3, etc. until the end. Then we use a while loop to simply print based on the priority. And now here we see in the output priority 1 is first performed, and then now priority 2, and then priority 3 in the output. Thank you for watching.